Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix sign out is not available due to restrictions. So guys, if you are using iPhone or iPad and want to sign out your Apple ID and facing this issue that sign out is not available, so guys, easily you can fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply you need to open your settings and guys, make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection, and guys, after doing this you need to go back. And guys, after this simply you need to scroll it below, click on general, and guys, you need to check for update. So guys, if you have any kind of update here, you need to update your iPhone to latest iOS version. And guys, after doing this you need to go back. And guys, you need to click on screen time, scroll it below, and guys, click on content and privacy restrictions, and guys, click on iTunes and store purchases. So guys, here you need to enter your passcode, and guys, simply you need to click on installing apps, and guys, make sure that it is allowed. And guys, after doing this, the last step is you need to scroll it below. So guys, as you can see here is the option of change screen time password. So guys, simply you need to turn off this. And guys, after doing this you need to wait for a few seconds. So guys, now you can see my screen time has been turned off. And guys, now I am going to check that my problem has been fixed or not. So guys, when I am going to open my Apple ID here, and when I am going to scroll it below, as you can see here, my problem has been fixed. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.